Stop and read this post if you need assistance with gold. Although many other currencies are depreciating in the present time, gold investors have enjoyed seeing gold value rise. That is why it's a good idea to purchase gold like a hedge against future poverty. As you may prepare to buy or sell your gold, you should take certain precautions. This article will help you make the best from each chance for selling or buying gold. Gold prices change quickly and frequently, so be aware of current value prior to make an attempt to sell any. Don't forget to consider the many karat values of your own gold pieces. Never sell any jewelry as gold scraps that's worth more than the gold itself due to designer. Come within comprehension of gold prices. There are actually fluctuations within the prices of these metals every single day, and you will need to know the current price. You need to pay for reasonably limited for the melt values if you're buying under 1 ounce pieces. You could be postponed by the buying price of gold, causing you to go along with gold-plated or gold-filled jewelry instead. It is possible to acquire gold jewelry from a variety of sources at a reasonable price. Try going to a pawn shop or looking online instead. Always research a firm you wish to send gold jewelry to. Make sure you figure out when you'll get sent a payment, and ensure everything is insured too. Last, but not least, photograph each item you will be sending via mail so that you have recourse in case a dispute occurs. If you are interested in purchasing the gold market, but do not have large quantities of capital, consider purchasing scrap gold. It is actually possible to achieve this over the long haul, by getting some gold every payday, and build up a valuable reserve in just a year. Retain the gold somewhere secure until you're prepared to sell it. If you're clueless about the price of your gold jewelry, have it appraised. This involves a certain amount of a good investment, yet it is worthwhile. Make sure that you get a truly realistic value from an appraiser that is accredited. If you're gonna sell the gold you possess, you're not getting the appraisal value. You can sell whatever contains gold to gold dealers. It may contain decorative items, gold tableware, old items of jewelry and so on. It doesn't need to be 100% gold either. The products may be gold-plated or manufactured from an alloy containing gold. You'll end up getting a few bucks in the bank. Have a look at the spot price before going to purchase gold. You will find this on a number of websites. Also, it can change daily. Never buy something listed at over 10% of the spot price. Some dealers charge more than that, yet it is a rip-off. There are lots of sites where one can purchase gold, such as Gold Money. This specific service is comparable to a bank account that holds deposits in bullion rather than currency. You establish your bank account and deposit your money, and so they assign you a certain amount of gold equal to the value of your initial deposit. The gold is in the vault in a bank, and you may cash it or redeem it for gold bullions. Investigate the market price of gold before you make an effort to sell yours. Look to see what other people are looking for with regards to similar prices. By doing this, you should have a wise decision of methods to price your gold. Always try to get a bit more than they're asking when they permit you to negotiate. Ask what strategy is used to determine the purity or carats of the jewelry. A lot of the time you'll look for a stamp around the item. In other instances, there's no visual evidence, as well as the rep must make the determination by a different method. Acid testing is certainly a simple method, thus if a representative is utilizing this, they could be new. Often the backs of earrings are solid gold, even if the earring itself is not solid. The bands of rings may be too, even if your rest is surely an alloy. Because their pieces will not weigh a whole lot, try selling them as being a lot, which means they may be collected into an assortment that will bring an improved price together. You are able to still spend money on gold without physically owning any. Some choices include buying mutual funds by using a gold focus, buying exchange-traded fund shares focusing on gold, or purchasing stocks in gold mining. If you decide to purchase actual coins or bars, take into account the cost of secure storage of your gold. Be skeptical of selling your gold unless you will need to. Gold prices keep going up, and it's high at this time, however it might increase more. Keep the gold provided that entirely possible that the highest earning potential. Great news for gold owners. Gold went up in price over 400% within the last decade. Nobody really knows when the perfect time to buy gold is, since it mainly relies upon the price of the dollar. The weaker the dollar is, the stronger gold charges are. Have got a strategy when you're thinking about putting your hard-earned dollars into gold. Gold could be a good hedge against inflation and economic instability, however it is a volatile investment. If you're capable to set a limit on being in contact with it and also have a few things in your mind before you decide to set out, you may make additional money. If you're planning to sell your gold online, look into the going value of gold first. A store in your town may pay out more to your pieces. Although mailing does offer some simplicity, would it be well worth losing on a bundle of money? It's easy to see why the market for gold has always been so strong. Gold prices continue to increase, making it a good investment. Always remember that you need to keep yourself well informed before jumping into the market. Make use of the tips you learn here to prevent the most popular pitfalls, making your gold investing successful.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.